Hi, and welcome back to Epic Restorationz. For the past 8 months, we've been hard at work on the Model A. We've rebuilt the carburetor, the kingpins, and the distributor. We've performed some very long overdue routine maintenance, adjusted the steering, rebuilt the hydraulic brakes, and so much more. But today is the big day. Today, we plan to reattach our hubs, install our new exhaust pipe, put on the tires, and take this car off the jack stands. Today, we're going to see if all this work we've put into it so far will pay off. Today, we're going to take the Model A on its first test drive. We began our day with the hubs. We used a little emery cloth to clean up the inside of the drums and added axle shims to each of the rear spindles. These shims are only about 4 thousandths thick and help to tighten up a loose wheel if the hub is worn. In our case, they help to prevent the brake drum from rubbing against the backing plate. With our hubs spinning freely, we adjusted the brake shoes and mounted our tires. These tires are pretty old and will soon be replaced. But for what we want to accomplish today, they will work just fine. We acquired a new exhaust pipe at a recent parts pick and modified it to fit our car. Our battery box sits where it would normally run, so we needed to modify it a bit on the front end to make it fit. We attached it under the engine using a no-nut exhaust clamp and ran it back along the passenger side to the rear end of the car. With the exhaust on, we lowered the car to the floor and fired it up. Running it up and down the driveway and shifting through the gears gives you a better sense of how the car is running, and boy, was it peppy. The brakes were alright and seemed to come on more as we worked them, but the clutch will definitely require some work before we start taking it on regular runs. With the car running and driving, we gave it a much needed bath and parked it on the lift. We still have a long way to go, but this has been a big day. We're going to remember this one for a long time to come. Join us next time as we continue our work on this 1930 Ford Model A on Epic Restorationz.